So hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and I am Tejashwini, and I am currently a dental student studying in, that's a secret. So I'm currently in my third year, and I already started YouTube the last year, but I somehow failed to keep up with it. So this is my second attempt to keep going on. So I hope I'll be able to keep up this time. और इससे पहले मेरी introduction video थी, you should just go and watch it over. And अब let's get into the matter. और ये वाला video किस लिए है? The thing is कि I wanted to discuss what was the first ever wage, yeah, whatever the salary is called. What was the first ever job I did? Yeah, what was the first ever income? How much was it? And how did I start it? So yes, I'll be discussing in this video. And did my parents allow me? नहीं किया था, whatsoever, everything, how I convinced my parents, yeah, all sort of things will be discussed in this video. So stay tuned. Maybe. And also, it's not like I'm bragging or something, but you know, there was this small incident that just inspired me to like keep going. I met a girl, like where I'm living is a small like village sort of thing. So there was this one girl who came up, and she said, when I grow up, I wanna be like you. And as someone who have like, I'll let you know the reasons also, but for now this is the very motivation I started with YouTube again. Because even if a single person, even if a single girl or single person is getting inspired by whatever the videos are about and trying to do something in their lives, that's just worth it. So let's just give it a try again, I thought, and here I am again with all my nonsense. Not nonsense, it's useful. So stay tuned. And ignore the background noises because they are irritating, I know it, but I can't help at the same time. Told you it's a village, so yeah. So first of all, I'll be like discussing what was the first ever job I did. Can you guys guess? So the first ever thing was tutoring. Yes, it is the most accessible thing, most easiest way. But do you want to know when I started it? It was like in my 12th class. 12th class, I'm having my boards in the next 1 month, and I don't know, अचानक से एक भूत सवार हो गया था कि I want to start tutoring, and my parents were like totally against it. They were like, girl, you have your NEET in 1.5 months, and then you have your board exams. Why are you doing this? And all of those things. But I don't know what was going on in my mind at that time. I was like, I can manage everything at the same time. And I did quite well. And I wouldn't say there were so many people. बस एक ही बच्चा आया था. That too, there was this auntie who used to live above me, like quarters mein. She used to live in the above flat, and she was also like, she was so supporting. She said, okay beta, do teach, and I will be the first one sending my son to you. So I was like, okay, let's start small. So that boy was in 4th class, I guess, and I was charging 300 rupees per month, and I successfully taught him for like 1 month. Uske baad to I told you, like, I had my exams, and also I used to go to Akash for those NEET preparations and all of those things. So I had to go for my exams, and also it just become like नहीं हो रहा था, तो hectic हो गया था बहुत ज़्यादा, and the timings were clashing. So in that case scenario, I had to stop. और इन सब के बीच my parents were so against it कि they did not want me to spoil my career, जो कि I was working on it at the same time, but it was not very promising because I wasn't into medical that much at that time. So I was just exploring the options कि let's just dive in and start something, and let's like test things out. So that was the very first a job या salary या जो भी कह लो, that was the very first thing I ever did, and I got 400 rupees, I mean 300 rupees for the very first time in my life. That was solely earned by me, totally like working everything on it. 400 rupees, the starting. Okay, then my father like sort of said कि बेटा, whatever you are earning sitting for a day, like for whole month, I'm earning it in 1 month. I mean 1 day. I'm so confused right now. So what my father said was, beta, whatever you are earning in 1 month, I'm earning in 1 day for 1 hour, and you are wasting your like whole month. That sums up to like some 60 hours if I'm teaching for 2 hours daily. So you're wasting your 60 hours which you can actually help in building your career. And I was like, okay, I can't go against my parents. Like, okay, starting it was cool and fine, but suddenly when I realized कि yes, it is taking so much of my energy, and like it's, you know, teaching is a really subjective thing. You can't explain someone when you are yourself consumed with stuff that are not clear within yourself. So I gave it a thought and I stopped, and eventually I also got posted to some other places, so I was not able to take it forward. So fast forward to like second year of my college, and it was something around November. So I thought, let's do something. Like, it's already been first year I was there in my hostel. So hostel mein you already know कि कितने सारी चीज़ें होती हैं to like keep yourself engaged. कपड़े धोना, to like everything was upon us. So in that case scenario, I didn't had time to do anything, but I still was searching to like कहीं कोई internship मिल जाए या कुछ मिल जाए, let's work on it. But yeah, I joined the research thing in my college that was being done in a college itself. So I did join it, but it was like very subjective. वापस से you had to like submit everything, and it was a matter of like selections कि कौन सा अच्छा है कौन सा नहीं है. It was that sort of thing. So you can't like get anything out of it until unless your research writing gets selected. So वो हो गया, and after that in second year my parents shifted over here, and I also started like getting time for myself to work upon whatever things I wanted to. So धीरे धीरे, at first I was not working anything. I was so busy scrolling my phone. Second year maybe I was very busy, but then suddenly, since my mother was also a teacher, she used to take tuitions, and she used to take for smaller classes, 5th class tak ya 4th class tak she used to take. And suddenly in this area there are no tuition centers that are accessible in nearby. So eventually बहुत सारे बच्चे होने लग गए. There were about 15 members at that time, and at उस टाइम पे my mama asked me, do you want to teach? And I don't know, I asked my father about it because he was very against it. ठीक है, when I did the same thing in my 12th class, he just said not to. So I gave it a thought, like I was thinking, and I asked my father, should I be doing this? And he immediately said, you should, beta. Like, why were they stopping me in my 12th class? Because wasn't I doing the same thing at that time and now? It's just that I am into a certain path of my life. I'm just building it, and I know where my life is directed to. And most of the time we don't really do anything in our leisure time. हम लोग ना सिर्फ एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे पढ़ाई करते हैं, होती है. So I know everyone does the same thing. So it's like I again was like very confused कि सही में manage हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, should I really start it or not? But somehow I gathered the courage and I did start. I did start in like August 2024, no, July 2024. Ending 28 July 2024, I started teaching for the first time, and there were around 10 students within my circle, and I was I was like literally so happy and so confused at the same time. Like I was having some kind of authority in my hands. I was so overwhelmed by that, and you know, they were all small kids, ठीक है, honestly, and they were so like क्या बोलूँ, it was fun teaching them starting में, and eventually when they found out that I'm not that strict, they all were like so close to me. होता ना एक like teacher and student वाला जो चीज़ होता है, that just vanished off and it turned out into sister and brother bond, yeah, sister and sister bond sort of thing. So those were the things that happened, and eventually I was making like 3,000 per month. That's a very different thing that they didn't used to pay me like timely. Time पे नहीं आते थे, but still I was making something. So that was my first ever milestone, and in the very first month I earned something around 2,500 rupees in 2024 in the first month, and eventually at the end of November I was able to collect 10,000. Okay, that sounds like a very large number for me at least. So I was able to collect 10,000 rupees, and those 10,000 were eventually used up because of some like कोई भी चीज़ें चाहिए थी कॉलेज में, some things like machines were required to be bought, so I had to like invest that money in that thing. So I had something in my hands to like tell my parents ki no, you keep your money with yourself, I can do it for myself this time. So that was the very first ever phase, you say, that independent feeling wala phase jo hota hai na, that was the first ever time I felt that. And again in November only, like I was just doom scrolling my Instagram. I know it was like totally filled with ways how to earn money. It was totally filled, like internships, jobs, कैसे apply करना है, क्या करना है, everything was there. But you know, suddenly there was this app I got to know about. Do comment in the comment section below if you want to know. It's still working. It still provides, like it does give money out. So if you want to know, do comment in the comment section below. And came across it, and I was like, if we are trying so many things out, let's just try this one out as well, even if it's fake. What's going, and just trying it out. तो मैंने ऐसे डाउनलोड कर लिया, and it was the first thing was to like refer people. तो 5 लोगों को अगर I refer, I'll be getting 50 rupees. I was like, okay fine, let's just test it. What's wrong? तो मैंने टेस्ट किया, like I sent it to 5 other friends of mine, and eventually I got paid 50 rupees at the very moment, and I was shocked. I was like, okay, that's working. And then I like in that app you get those small missions, and there's some value for it कि इतना तुम like if you do this mission you'll be getting this much, and there are this many of openings in that app. So I used to be so consistent for like 2-3 months. I was very consistent in that app, and I used to do everything possible, like जो अपने हाथ में है. There are so many things, honestly. There are like UI UX designing, drawing, art, like fashion, everything is included in that app. So it was like a combo for someone who wants to be creative in their life. So at the other hand I was like tutoring, and on the other hand I got this app where I was able to like make somewhere around 1,500 or 2,000 monthly. So basically at that time I was making like 3,500 or 4,000 yearly per month. ठीक है, और इवेंचुअली क्या हुआ, मेरा इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया ट्यूटरिंग से. लाइक आई वाज सो फेड अप लोगों के साथ, बच्चों के साथ. दे आर नॉट वेरी स्टेडी एट दैट टाइम. तो ना धीरे धीरे हो जाता ना कि यार चिड़ मच रही है. सो दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ केस विद मी, एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, आई ठीक है नहीं, आई टोटली लेफ्ट. मैंने अपनी मम्मी पे छोड़ दिया पूरा कि भाई मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव माई एग्जाम, सो मेनी ऑफ माई थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन प्रैक्टिकल्स, एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू मैनेज ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स एट द सेम टाइम. एंड माई मदर टुक केयर ऑफ इट. ठीक है, एंड दैट वॉज इट फॉर माई सेकेंड ईयर, आई मीन फर्स्ट ईयर. ओके, आई वॉज टेलिंग दिस होल थिंग फॉर माई सेकेंड ईयर. ठीक है, सेकेंड ईयर शुरू होने से पहले की बात है. या चलने के टाइम की बात है। तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, खत्म, एक सेशन खत्म हो गया। सेशन के एंड तक somehow I was able to manage and I said okay fine, I leave it over here. And also there was one major thing that happened after this, and my mother also joined a school which she wasn't teaching, मतलब वो सिर्फ ट्यूशन्स पढ़ाती थी पहले तक। and this year my mother started teaching in school, so she used to go to school at 8 o'clock and she used to come at 6 o'clock. And like she is also very tired at this moment, and she like said very clearly on my face that this time if you want to start tuitions, do it on your own fucking risk. Like I am not indulging in anything, you have to do it on your own. Doesn't matter you have your exams, your whatever things you say, you whatever excuses you give, whatever like day out plans you make with your friends, you have to manage it yourself. And I was like, I gave it a thought and I was like okay fine, what's the thing we are doing at home otherwise, बस फोन स्क्रॉल करते रहती हूँ मैं। तो आई थॉट कि चलो लेट्स इस बार पूरा डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं। एंड माई मदर वॉज वेरी 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 लाइक क्या बोलूँ, क्लियर अबाउट हर वर्ड्स कि मैं नहीं करूँगी हेल्प तो नहीं करूँगी, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो गेटिंग टायर्ड, आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू स्कूल एंड आई हैव टू स्टैंड देयर एंड शाउट ऑन पीपल एंड आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक ड्रेन्ड टिल द एंड ऑफ द डे। सो आई वॉज लाइक आई हैव टू डू एंड आई हैव टू हैंडल इट ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ। नो लाइक पहले क्या होता था ना कि माई मदर एंड आई बोथ यूज्ड टू सिट टुगेदर, सो हैंडलिंग पीपल वॉज ईजियर। जब अगर तुम्हारे पास यू आर हैविंग लाइक समवेयर अराउंड 20 people, you can't just handle them all together, especially for a college student who is like working on herself. Like एक जगह पे बच्चों को बैठा के I used to teach them, I used to do my own record writings or whatever it is. So that was the kind of things that used to go on. So at this point mama said कि मैं भी नहीं help करूँगी, and I gave it a major thought. Also it's a total village, so people were not even paying so regularly. बीच में ऐसे क्लैशेस हो जाते हैं कि एक महीना नहीं दिया तो दूसरा महीना दे दिया, 2 months का मिला के 1 महीने में दे रहे हैं, and they're not paying the full thing, they're just paying the half of it. So it's like it's very messy. It's like you're investing your time, you're investing your efforts, and you're still not getting paid. Anyone gets irritated at this point. So I also got irritated, and जब बच्चे आए they came running to me, and मैं ना जब it was I guess second day of my second year या थर्ड डे या 1 week हो गया था कॉलेज जाते हुए, and these people came running to me, जैसे उनका स्कूल समर वेकेशन के बाद स्टार्ट हुआ, they came running to me and said दीदी प्लीज स्टार्ट करो ना, we want to study from you. I was like okay. I again give it a thought, क्योंकि मम्मी ने तो बोल दिया कि मैं तो पकड़ने से रही, मैं तो मेरा तो हाथ मैंने उठा दिया पूरा का पूरा. I was like okay fine, but I thought कि I'll be only taking 10 people. ठीक है, मैंने सोचा कि इन 10 बच्चों से ऊपर मैं लूँगी ही नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे से मैनेज होगा ही नहीं. एंड ऑल्सो आई थॉट कि जो बच्चे शांत रहते थे ना पहले के ट्यूशन में, I'll take them. तो I thought this and I said fine, I'll be charging 200 rupees and you'll be giving it to me regularly no matter what, and if these things are okay with you, I'll be teaching again. वो अलग बात है कि बाद में नेगोशिएशन हो जाती है पेरेंट्स आ जाके, आई डोंट से मच, पता है, तो नेगोशिएट हो ही जाता है बाद में आके. तो देयर वर लाइक 2-3 पीपल हु केम टू अस, मम्मी के पास भी मेरे पास भी, बच्चे तो मेरे पास आ गए. मैंने ऐसा ऐसा बोल दिया कि बेटा सेकेंड ईयर है, मेरे से भी मैनेज नहीं हो पा रहा है और बहुत सारे काम होते हैं मेरे को, और तुम लोग तो शांत बैठते नहीं हो. तो दे वर लाइक नहीं दीदी एकदम शांत बैठेंगे, वी विल लाइक मैनेज एवरीथिंग विद आवरसेल्व्स. अब बाकी आप बस पढ़ा देना हम लोगों को, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए हम लोगों को, जो हम पूछेंगे आप बस बता देना, बाकी आप अपना काम करते रहना, वी वोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. आई वाज लाइक ओके, बट देन अगेन मम्मी नहीं थी, तो आई हैड टू लाइक गिव इट अ वेरी लॉन्ग थॉट. तो फिर पेरेंट्स आए, पेरेंट्स ने मुझसे पूछा, फिर मैंने बोला कि आंटी देखो ऐसा है, माय मदर इज सेइंग शी वोंट बी टेकिंग लाइक द क्लासेस दिस टाइम, and I will be the only one taking it, and I don't think I'll be able to manage all of that together. और बच्चे सुनते नहीं है एक बार में. तो she said okay, I'll talk to your mother, and all of those things happened, and my mother also agreed. Like she is going to school, she is again coming back, she is sitting with us till 8 o'clock, 8:30, and sometimes 9 तक बैठती हैं because of those kids. And now which the thing which started with like thinking कि सिर्फ 10 लोगों को पढ़ाएंगे, now I have like 30 people in my tuition right now, legit 30 people. 30 नहीं, in fact there are more than 30, 32 or 33 I guess, and in those 32 or 33 like there are 4-5 people who we teach for free because of the financial background, and again 30 people. So I have like 30 people under my control, and they are okayish. I would say they are very well behaved right now, but they are okayish. The love they shower is so immense, so good. Like, you know, on my birthday they just planned the whole fucking thing and they made a cake for me. So love you're getting is like more than anything, ठीक है, more than the money you're getting. I just left it कि जो हो रहा है, but whatever I am gaining the experience, I am gaining the knowledge. You know, I'm taking classes till 9th. I have students till 9th class over here right now, and there are each and every class from nursery, LKG, and first and second classes are being taken by my mother. She sits again. Even I can't appreciate her enough for having the courage to like strength to sit again, standing in the whole time in the school and coming back and then again sitting with these students. I can like hats off to that woman. But again, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, I have these all classes with me. और उनके पढ़ाते पढ़ाते ना साथ में my maths used to be so bad at that time. My maths in school was like बहुत गंदा था मेरा, और इनके साथ बैठ के ना I have to like sit and I was like, okay, this is a math sum, I can't do it. I mean, it's not like I can't do it, it's like I have to think for like 10 minutes and sit, bro. I did it somewhere, ignore. Yeah, so I just get this instant thing कि यार ये कहीं तो किया, and they are all CBSE, ठीक है, CBSE syllabus I have already studied. पर ये है ना कि बहुत टाइम हो गया. 9th class CBSE thing was a very real shit. पता है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था 9th class में. 10th was very easy. 11th तो मत पूछो, मुझसे फिजिक्स नहीं होती थी, बट स्टिल लाइक आई मैनेज्ड. और फिर धीरे धीरे इनके साथ स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड आई एम वेरी कीन इन स्टडिंग social studies, so I take their books and I keep them and study. और social is my favorite subject. तो इनको पढ़ाते पढ़ाते ना मेरा भी लाइक साथ में हो जाता है, टाइम पास हो जाता है, एंड वो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे ना कैसे निकल जाते पता ही नहीं चलता. एंड कीपिंग असाइड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू हाउ आई एम मेकिंग राइट नाउ. आई केप्ट द सेम वही है 200 per child, so I am roughly earning like 6,000 right now. So apart from that 6,000, the app which is running, that gives me again 2,000 to 3,000. So basically I'm making 8,000, and apart from those things I have like invested in the stock markets that are pretty good. I won't say बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा amount है नहीं. I am just systematically keeping all of those things together, like savings हो रही हैं साथ में, everything is getting together. And apart from all that, I had my first ever solo trip, and I had this like on my bucket list, ठीक है. 21 years से पहले I want to go on a solo trip. Doesn't matter whatever happens, I have to go. And I was able to do it with my own money, and it was amazing. That will be another story for another day, I guess, and I'll explain in detail कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, how I managed, what were bookings and all of those things, and what was the city I went to. So I'll be discussing all of those things in my next video. और अब a little advice for you all. Doesn't matter you're all starting small or big or whatever it is, you know, कहीं ना कहीं से ना शुरू करना ही पड़ता है. Doesn't matter तुम्हें कितना कम मिल रहा है, कितना experience is something that matters a lot. Doesn't matter whatever money you're getting, because at the starting point I wasn't getting anything. Honestly guys, they were not even paying. मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि 2-3 महीने में they are giving me, and also they are not giving the whole money. They are giving me like 1 महीने का 3 महीने का they are giving me 200. So I used to get so frustrated at that time. but eventually I realized that's something it helped me a lot. Besides, like, एक होता है ना कि डिसिप्लिन बन जाता है लाइफ में. सो आई यूज टू गो टू कॉलेज घर पे. ऊपर से मेरी मम्मी whenever she start since when she has started going to her job, I have to like cleaning वगैरह, I have to like help out to her. तो वो हो गया. And then going to my own college, studying for myself, working upon my own projects, yeah, my own practicals, labs, records, all of those things. And then I have to come back and 5:30 बजे तक these people are coming and I have to like explain. उनके साथ बैठो 9 बजे तक, 9:30 बजे तक I'm sitting, like sorry 8:30 बजे तक I'm sitting with them, with these people. And you know, life has become so disciplined, so manageable. Like you have the sense of like, होता ना कि घर पे बैठ के ऐसे खर्चा फिजूल का खर्चा कर रहे. नहीं, यू हैव द सेंस, ठीक है, वट एवर आई एम अर्निंग डजंट मैटर, स्मॉल बिग वट एवर इट इज, यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, यू आर वर्थ ऑफ समथिंग. यू रियलाइज इवेंचुअली कि येस, देयर आर समवन हु आर गेटिंग बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग. Like I feel very proud when I say कि there are people in my tuition I am teaching and they love the way I teach. There are so many people who came to me and said कि दीदी ऐसा तो स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाया जाता. I wish I knew you like कुछ दिन पहले से. And they are like legit saying कि दीदी I wish you stay in the very city till my whole education, like 12th class खत्म होने तक. I hope you stay over here. So those are the comments that help me keep going, and the love they shower is like, that's immense, you know, that's just beyond words. So ये सब तो हो गया. I guess I told you what was my first job, first ever thing I did, what are my alternate sources of income. I told you about my stock things. I'll be discussing about it in detail in my future videos yet again. और फिर ट्रिप के बारे में भी I'll be discussing in my upcoming videos and how I managed it, how I convinced my parents at the first place. तो वो सब मैं आने की videos में, like upcoming videos में बताऊँगी. And I guess you all already know what the things are as of now. Already got to know everything about me. So in this video इतना ही. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel and bell icon. भूल गए तो फिर भूल गए. That's the worst thing you can do to yourself. Bye bye.